This waiter tells me, should I pass the compliments to the chef? Girl, bring the chef in here. I'm about to suck him off. What the fuck?
The entitlement of these white people parking in these handicapped spots.
Oh.
Cos'è questo?
Caffè lungo. Lo voleva lungo, non alto. Prego, Steffi. Caffè lungo. No, cazzo, il caffè lungo, c'è il caffè alto.
Someone's hit me fucking mirror in my own yard.
So I'm just cooling the eggs off, and I wanted to get rid of the air, but I didn't realize. Just listen to this.
Блядь!
This is really famous, no? I'm pretty sure. Please no diving? Yeah, I saw that sign as well. But low-key, like, who the fuck is gonna dive from here, bro? I mean, maybe it's like a really popular thing to do, because like there's so many signs for it. I don't know.
A few minutes later.
Oh my god, they smell like alcohol. Dude, that guy. What the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck? Is he okay?
We're reporting live from the front lines. Father's after breaking mother's favourite mug.
Half broke.
This might be the last time we ever hear from this man.
Don't fucking tell her.
Never.
What the fuck happened?
You'll never get that information out of me. Fine, I'll tell you, just stop shouting!
She didn't even say anything.
Carl, I can see you under the table.
Carl's not here right now.
Get the fuck up, you bollocks.
I can't, I'm stuck.
Who broke it?
I told Father I'm not ratting on him, so I'm not telling you.
Adam, if you'll excuse me for a minute, I think you left something in the kitchen.
We are in the kitchen.
Carl, I can see your fucking legs. Can I stab my White Claw? Ah!
Para minha Nossa Senhora!
I don't know what happened, but I walked into this room and they're both like hissy puffies. What's going on, you guys?
Goo Lagoon.
Didn't take long for me to realize that the key is longer than a standard lockpick. I was about to brood over that unfortunate fact when I remembered that I own a lockpick company. So I emailed our not-so-civil engineer telling him I needed an extra long rake. An hour later, he presented me with this monstrosity along with a mischievous smile.
Basically what happens is, okay, the tensile strength of the bridge, when the bus drives across, goes to the rope, over the beam, back into the ground. It is a flawless fucking design. Jesus Christ.
Oh no!
What?
Help, please.
Coming.
I beg.
Where?
Right here. What is it?
Oh.
I'm scared. What is it? What is it?
He stepped on a mine.
I need.
Okay, I'll take everything that you have, put it in the corner, and then you are just going to get off that mine and come right around that corner, okay? You're not gonna die from this. This isn't the end.
It feels like the end of me, boss.
All right.
Ready?
Just run to my voice as soon as you get off.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, ready?
What is it?
The line is Jepson's Malort.
Jepson's Malort.
And then you take it.
And then you take it.
And you say, I'll have another.
Wait, I say that after?
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Who's Jepson?
Jepson's Malort.
Here it goes.
I'll have another.
Here we go. Jepson's Malort. Oh my god.
No, like down at the end of the hallway here on the left.
Got him.
You got him?
Yeah, got him.
I Beal your head.
English, McTavish.
Sorry, sir. Let me translate. Go fuck yourself.
Much better. Two goldfish are in a tank.
Go on.
One turns to the other and says, "You know how to drive this thing?" Little army humour?
Very little.
Why don't blind guys skydive?
Tell me.
Scares the shit out of their dogs. We could do this all night.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Skąd słyszałeś?
O kurwa.
Ja pierdolę. Ja już się poddaję, nie? Ja pierdolę, co jest? Nie.
Ready? Alright, they're baiting your shot. We don't want to fire yet. It'll be a waste.
Rocket!
Oh.
Yeah. So, we are gathered here today to mourn the passing of Dinkelbean and his entire line. They all died bravely because Dinkelbean is a blind idiot that does not pay attention to his own line or incoming artillery fire.
Speak! 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 Speak!
Stop.
No, no, not it.
Look at her. She's staring at my shirt. She thinks there's a dog in my shirt.
Ollie?
من غيرنا تعرفوش تعيشوا. ليه يا يما؟ ما نعرفش نلاقي شويه بطاطس؟ جبناهم قشرناهم وقطعناهم وحطيناهم في
international people here on the train. I don't know how to say it in English, very professional, but I try my best. We have a problem with our timetable. The people who do the signals think our train does not exist. Yeah, but we exist. And I hope they find a solution. We have to wait until they find a solution. That's the problem here in Hamburg-Harburg.
You're fucked. Come on, let me lock on.
Будь здоров.
Спасибо, Господи.
I found his cat. Okay, I'm gonna pretend like that didn't happen.
He's so scared. Stop. Daniel, get out and help.
I don't know how to fucking get a cat.
Oh my God, don't hurt him.
I got him.
No.
There's cowboys. Fucking cowboys. Look.
Hi, Baldy. What's up, buddy?
Sit. Sit down.
He doesn't know sit.
Yes, he does.
Oh, shit, he does.
Yeah, he does. Good.
Where did you get that? Oh my God!
Oh, I guess it's gonna stay in there.
Fuck you, dog.
You're the one swerving. I was just following you.
I'm the one swerving.
Oh,
I'm the one fucking swerving.
yeah, it was actually. Oh, there she goes. And okay.
Sam, think fast.
I wasn't expecting that, were you? How are you recording it all?
Is he gonna flick him on?
Come on, buddy. Leave the bar. No way, brother. That's not suspicious.
At all.
Go get him, champ.
Hear the sound? I do room? I do room? Okay, I do room. I do eng. As Mr. Exactis would say. I love this. You want to hear eng?
Is that your name? Sabibi
Cái gì cứu tôi cho mà đứng nói con vậy nha, nãy giờ tôi nhịn mà nhiều nha. Bà biết nha. Bà nãy giờ ở nhà tôi là bà biết cái đó, bà biết. Nhưng mà đừng nói, ỷ mà già mà muốn nói thì nói đi. Thôi chứ công an em hốt rồi luôn bây giờ mà tính không?
Could you rate my physique on a scale from 1 to 10?
Okay.
There's something very peculiar about you. I just haven't gotten to the.
Oh my god, how do you know?
I knew it. I knew it. I knew
Okay, well, can I?
I fucking knew this. I knew this. You still gotta rate my physique. I don't give a fuck if you're a guy.
How are you, ma'am?
Hey, mister. Is there anything of yours you'd like to stick into something of mine? I can't stand to see a man walk around with such a dry pecker. Can I help?
You really want to go 100%?
Yeah. Cause it hurts, but I can feel that you're holding back.
I'll do 50.
60.
No, I'll do 50 most.
60.
I'll do 30.
Alright, so my parents decided to go back to the motherland and leave me home alone by myself for a month. And they didn't even tell me until the day before. So my mom's been calling me every day through WeChat at weird times. So I thought, why not just fuck with her? Because I don't know, it'd be funny.
喂，女啊，媽咪返咗嚟咁多日啦，煮飯啊食啊，要識唔識煮啊？
Hello 媽，而家煮緊飯，我係咪撳呢個掣就煮飯㗎啦？
啊！火燭啊！快啲報警！快啲報警！你有冇搞錯又唔聽我電話？我喺大陸返唔到嚟㗎，你有冇搞錯啊？煮飯都唔識，爆炸！
What do you do in finance?
I'm an agent for state capitalism.
You're an agent for state capitalism? What? What does that mean?
You know.
No, I don't know. That's the whole point of this question. All of you in finance do this shit. I'm this job where it's like, what do you do? Teacher. I make shoes. I'm a circus performer. That makes sense. What do you do, couple? What do you do? Hairstylist. Fuck yeah! What do you do? Teacher. Yes! What do you teach?
Social emotional learning and
Say, where are you from?
他问你从哪里来？
我从台湾来的。
She's from Taiwan.
Are you gonna say you're from China whenever it gets taken over? Translate. No, translate.
Wait, I'm Chinese, so.
Oh! You're already taking over the conversation, so it makes sense.
You guys, Lorenzo booked an Indian concert. I wanted to make you feel welcome. I come to Italy for Italian culture. No. I come here for an Indian concert. We're in an Indian concert. To listen to that man there.
Go for dinner with him.
If Delulu had a face.
Watch it. Okay, this is before the concert. I make promise. We'll go to a dinner with Drupad tonight.
It's not Drupad, his name is Ritwik. Drupad is the name of the show.
I'll get Hosu. Okay. Hosu! Just...
Where's my cigarette? You got that?
No!
That's my cigarette!
This is mine. Wait, why are you sitting here? Let's go that way. Are you stuck?
Let me pull you. 1, 2, 3.
When was the last time you looked at porn, Rabbi?
I was studying at Yeshiva in Crown Heights, mid-80s.
Yeah, you might have changed a bit since then. Do you know the most requested thing on John's site? 1 innocent girl, 3 large men.
They take it in turns?
No, Rabbi. No, they do not.
Oh.
You are beautiful. Have a nice day.
That is so nice of you, man.
You are beautiful. It's not a problem that your voice is deep.
Okay.
You are beautiful. It's not because you have a deep voice that I will say you are not beautiful anymore. You see? Yeah.
Yeah. I think I see.
Yeah, you are beautiful too. Have a nice day, men, women, I don't know.
By the power of the arcane, I release your inhibitions. Feel the rain on your skin.
From the husband's perspective, feels different. Can throw trash into an overflowing trash can.
Fixed it.
Can forget reality with the filter system.
Fixed it.
Hopeful phrases turn into bleak messages. Things on the floor also change. The wife, unable to bear it, says something.
You left your shoes in the middle of the room again.
Oh, there they are. You ready to go yet?
You probably haven't noticed, but I haven't changed clothes yet.
And receiving the glasses. Puts them on out of curiosity.
Whoa, look at the walls. There really is a difference between pebble gray and driftwood.
Fully feels what the wife is experiencing.
Nothing fits. Everything looks terrible. Let's just go eat dinner.
Do you know the song that goes like?
Maximum pulse again.
I am ready to put on a show. Tammy. Don't leave me. Tammy.
Oui, mort, si blessé. Je pète ma bière, ma louboulou.
Je m'appelle Sasuke Uchiwa.
You are the holy warrior! Why is it that you don't fight like one?
I never said I was the holy warrior. I must somehow make sense of our convoluted situation. Think of a big black man chasing you!
Well, he's not racist.
I guess not. He's only 0.2 seconds faster.
Look at that. It's a nuclear sub.
Excusez-moi. I find you to be quite riveting. For you, mon cœur.
You knew I was the Dragon Warrior. You always knew. But when Oogway said otherwise, what did you do? What did you do? Nothing. That was not my fault. Not your fault? Who filled my head with dreams? Who drove me to train until my bones cracked? Who denied me my destiny?
Okay, I'm just gonna get one, alright? It's just one, alright? How bad could one be? It's not that expensive, it's not, well, I mean, I have to get it a friend, right? I mean, who's he gonna talk to? He's gonna get bored. And you know, what if they get sick of each other? You know, they need a third guy, and...
¿Quieres que te muestre lo que me hace feliz? Esto me hace feliz. Voy acá a tocar, hace ña, 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 y por acá sale y mi vecina hace...
Is there a problem here?
What the hell are you?
I'm the ass-kicking clown that'll twist you like a balloon animal. I will beat your head against this bumper until the airbags deploy, so apologize to my boyfriend right now!
Apologize? Boyfriend?
Apologize!
Voila, the sweet potato. You cannot call me small potatoes. I'm so nutritious and delicious. Voila, sweet potato.
Get ready to leave this life. No, you don't.
I'm bleeding. Christ, I'm bleeding.
Why was the strawberry crying?
Why?
Because he was in a jam?
Not bad. Why has 2 legs and bleeds?
Don't tell me.
Half a dog.
I asked you not to tell me. It's pissing it down out here.
Speak English.
It's raining fucking hard.
Then say so.
I did. I'm in the coffee shop.
Get us a tea.
Fucking Brits.
What's my problem?
The mask. Take it off.
Show my face.
Yes, sir.
Negative.
Are you ugly?
Quite the opposite.
I doubt that.